I am really excited to share with you this quick little breathing activity that is perfect for the month of February. It's called heart breathing and it's really simple. Let's try it out. Heart breathing is pretty much what it sounds like. As you breathe, you imagine that you're breathing through your heart. So breathing into your heart and then breathing out of your heart. It really helps for kids and teens who like that kind of more tactile stimulation to put their hands over their heart to really help emphasize where we're focusing our mind. But otherwise, you just take some nice deep breaths. I like to take it in through my nose and out through my mouth just because it helps me focus a little bit more. And you do it until you feel nice and relaxed. Why don't you try it with me? Go ahead and take both your hands and place it over your heart. For those who don't know, your heart is on the left side of your body. So I'm mirrored right now and it looks like I'm touching my right, but this is my left side. Go ahead and close your eyes. And you're going to start by breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine that the breath is going into your heart, and as you breathe out, the breath is coming back out of your heart. So let's go ahead and do that for 5 nice deep breaths. Here we go. How do you feel? I don't know if you could tell, but as I was going through that, I could feel my whole face relaxing more and more and more. This is a great way to help you regulate when you're feeling really stressed out or emotional. And a great thing to do with kids. Whenever you see a kid starting to get really stressed out, tell them, let's do some heart breathing. Place your hands over your heart just like me. And I want you to breathe just like me. And the key is to breathe with them. Don't just tell them to do it. Breathe with them. They're more likely to do it that way. I hope you enjoy this little video. Let me know how you do your heart breathing and how you feel afterwards. Until next time, stay safe and have fun playing. See ya!